The mood darkens in Europe as a slowdown shows signs of reaching Germany. Stocks and the euro turn lower again as PMI numbers sink past three-year lows. Tomorrow is a huge day for earnings in Europe, with car makers once again taking the limelight. Daimler warned earlier this year that operating profits would be down at its Mercedes car unit. Analysts will be scouring tomorrow's numbers from the company for signs that a cost-cutting program is paying off. Meanwhile, Renault is forecast to see sales slide by 1% to just under 10 billion euros. That's still comfortably better than French peer Peugeot, which today said sales were down by over 8%. Renault helped by robust sales at its low-cost Dacia brand. Now, that's just the tip of the iceberg, though. BASF expected to report that earnings edged higher by 2%. Join us tomorrow at 7:25 London time when we'll be asking Chief Executive Kurt Bock how badly a global slowdown is hurting the world's largest chemical company. Credit Suisse also due to report. Net earnings there seen off by 46%. And keep an eye out for a host of other names, including Novartis, AstraZeneca and WPP. We'll talk to WPP Chief Sir Martin Sorrell at 7:50 London time. Meanwhile, today's economic data saw euro-dollar hit fresh lows below 130, but some economists say that's actually a silver lining.
What's remarkable isn't that the euro is floundering under the pressure it's facing, but it's actually so strong. What the eurozone needs is a weak euro, and certainly against the dollar it's actually been strengthening. It's at 1.3, so in many ways what the eurozone faces is a future where it begins to resemble Japan, a strong currency doing it a great deal of harm.
The day's big data release comes from the UK, where preliminary third-quarter GDP numbers are due. After a spate of better-than-expected numbers, including robust jobs figures, economists are predicting a return to growth for the period. Expansion of 0.6% on the quarter is the forecast. That will be a turnaround from contraction of 0.4% in the previous 3 months. Well, that's all from us for now, but join us every day at this time for a look at the stories that are set to move markets. I'm Angeline Ong, and this is Reuters.